I had COVID, obviously. I had a text off Public Health Wales asking would I like to donate some plasma, and I just like to help people, so I thought yes, so I'll do it. The reason I chose to donate plasma is quite simple, because you can take plasma off you once a fortnight, whereas if you give blood, it's a bigger distance, a length of time in between, so you can give more plasma this way. When I signed up, I had to go for screening. It was a very quick process. I had to read a questionnaire, they asked you a few questions, took a couple of blood samples. Didn't take long at all, really, not long at all. I turned up at the donation clinic. I was a little bit apprehensive, never done anything like this before, but as soon as I got into the room, seen all the nurses, lots of nurses there, all in PPE equipment, it put me at ease and no worries at all. I would say if you've had COVID and you've got better and you get the chance to donate plasma or blood to help people who are really suffering in intensive care and in hospitals, go for it. There's nothing to it. Help people out.